Hello you guys. So today I am going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. Now this isn't typically what I eat every single day, but this is a just regular day in my life, and you guys have actually requested videos on me just explaining what I eat throughout the day, because I actually posted my weight loss video a couple of weeks ago and you guys really loved that. So some of you were asking to make a video on what I eat throughout the day. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoy. Now let's just start off with some breakfast. Hello, good morning. So if we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day, I need to start off with my number one thing that I always have to get in every single day. And of course, it's my water. So I love having water, but I try to have some lemon water. I heard that it's supposed to be good. I don't do this all the time, but I need to start. Okay, so I have about this much lemon water because I love the taste of the lemon and I don't want it to be too diluted. I'm gonna have this and then I'm gonna go for my first cup of coffee for the day. I heard that lemon water is just supposed to be really good for you to start your day with. I love room temperature water because I feel like it fills me up more throughout the day, especially if I have a lot. It keeps me full, it keeps me hydrated, and then I'm gonna have my cup of coffee. Okay, so water is done. Next I'm gonna do some coffee because I have to have my at least 1 cup of coffee every single day in the morning. I like to do iced coffee or cold brew when it's starting to get warmer outside, but I ran out of iced coffee and I ran out of cold brew, so I'm gonna be making hot coffee. And let me just show you guys what I do. So this is my coffee maker, the Nespresso. It is the best coffee maker ever. So I have all of these pods here. I'm starting to run out, but today I think I'm going to do this blue one. So the coffee is done and I like to have my hot coffee with regular whole milk, but I ran out of whole milk, so I'm gonna be using this oat milk. I love this barista blend oat milk by Khalifa. It is so good. It's really good for your iced coffee and your cold brew, but it's also great in your hot coffee because the taste of the oat is not terribly strong, so it is very good. I have my frother that actually came with my Nespresso machine, so I'm just gonna fill this up and then froth my milk. Having my first cup of coffee is like the best part of my day, to be honest, or like one of the best parts of my day. Okay, so now I'm starting to get hungry, so I'm gonna be making my breakfast and I'm gonna be making some avocado toast because avocado is just a healthy fat and it definitely helps me stay fuller for longer, especially when I have it with the lemon water. So let me show you guys the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. So this is everything. I'm gonna be using this whole wheat bread from Trader Joe's. And I love this bread, but if you have sourdough bread, then that would be a lot better. I love sourdough bread, especially with my avocado. So then I have my avocado right here. I have some lime. And then this is the seasoning that I'm gonna be using. I love this chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's. I love adding this onion salt as well from Trader Joe's. And then I'm also gonna be adding a little bit of this black ground pepper. I know this probably looks like a lot of avocado because it is, but I do not want to split it up into two different pieces of bread. I'd rather just have it all on one. And now this is the fun part. This is my little piece of avocado, and the lime and the onion salt and all of the seasoning are so good together. I do not like having plain avocado toast. I think it just tastes way too plain. And this one is just really, really good. And it will keep you full if you have this with lemon water. I have to like just chill out because yesterday it was so bad. I made my own dinner. Like I made pasta with Alfredo and mushrooms and onions, so that would have been fine. But I also was watching this YouTube video that it was like somebody trying out some KFC recipe. She showed the fries and then I was like, okay, I need fries, so I ordered McDonald's nuggets and fries. Of course I did. So I messed up, so now today I really have to like go in and chill. But I'll see you guys again during lunchtime. All right, so you guys already saw my breakfast, what I do when I wake up. So now I am getting ready for lunch. It's around a little bit after 12. So I'm not gonna do anything too heavy because I already had my avocado toast and it still has me full. So I wouldn't normally eat until I'm actually hungry again, because the one problem that a lot of us have is that we eat just because we're bored, not when we're hungry. And that's when we start to like eat things that we shouldn't be really eating. So normally any other day that I don't have too much stuff to do, I would just wait until I'm hungry to make something like this. But I do have meetings and I have a lot of stuff to do today that I'm not gonna have a lot of time to actually get up and make my lunch later on. So I'm gonna do it now because I know I'm gonna be hungry in a little bit. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm going to make these veggie burgers. They are my favorite veggie burgers ever. They are from Trader Joe's and they are the quinoa cowboy veggie burgers with black beans and roasted corn. These are so good, you guys. It's made up of cooked tri-colored quinoa, red peppers, black beans, breadcrumbs, roasted corn, onions, lime juice, and so many other things. And all of that sounds really good because it is. You can just pop these in the oven, which is what I'm about to do. My oven is actually preheated to 450 degrees. And then you're supposed to bake these for 4 to 6 minutes. I've actually put these in the air fryer and it comes out really, really good on the air fryer as well. And this is what it looks like. I don't have any really crazy ingredients or toppings to put on top of these. So what I'm actually just going to do is slice up some onions. And then I also have some salsa that you use with tacos. That would be really, really good on this veggie burger. Okay, so this is my burger. I kind of like messed it up a little bit when I was taking it out. A piece kind of just broke off on the side, but that is fine. And then I have these small, just little pieces of onion that I chopped up. I don't want too much because I don't want to have freaking onion breath. So now I also have these guys that I'm going to be putting on top of the veggie burger. So this right here, red enchilada sauce from Whole Foods, but I prefer the sauce that has like onions and peppers in it, but I don't have that. And then I'm also going to be using this taco sauce from Trader Joe's. It says it's spicy, but it's not really that spicy at all. So I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of each of these on here. That is it, literally nothing fancy at all. Just something to fill me up, and it is very good. Okay, so now I'm making dinner, and this is what I'm making. So I'm making these little pesto filled tortellinis from Trader Joe's. These are some of my absolute favorites. And then I'm just gonna be making them with this Italian sausage that I got from Trader Joe's as well. White mushrooms, onion, and then I'm going to be using this garlic Alfredo sauce. And I just want to do something very quick, very simple, because I have a lot of editing to get through today. So this is one of the easiest things that I can make, and it is also the tastiest. So I will show you guys once this is done. Okay, so this is it. I know it doesn't look like much, but it is very, very good. I don't really need too much, and it was a very quick and easy dinner. And then I'm just having it with some room temperature water. So yeah, that is my dinner. I have literally been snacking on these little pretzel things for a while, and I was like, I need to get up and make some food. So this is my dinner. And that is a wrap, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope you got a good idea of what I consume throughout the day. I definitely have better days than others. There are days where I have McDonald's, pizza, and I have to do like a reboot or like a reset throughout the week. But I love making my food at home just because I feel like it's a little bit better, because I actually know what I'm putting into my body instead of purchasing what somebody else cooked. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. If you like my video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.